India has achieved a significant milestone in defense technology with successful demonstration of its 30-kilowatt laser-based weapon system. Incorporating advanced electronic warfare features, it is designed to counter aerial threats such as drones and helicopters within range of 5 kilometers. The Ukrainian armed forces have publicly demonstrated their new domestic laser weapon system known as Tryzub. According to reports, Tryzub laser complex is capable of destroying attack drones, aerial bombs and both cruise and ballistic missiles at ranges of up to 3,000 meters. Nigeria's Minister of State for Defense met with delegation from China North Industries Corporation Narinco to expand strategic military cooperation, including advanced technology transfer, workforce training, and increased local content in defense hardware production. The Swiss Defense Procurement Agency has chosen German-made Iris-T air defense missile system to enhance country's air defense capabilities. The purchase is part of European Sky Shield initiative, which aims to strengthen the air defense of European Union.